Last month, I bought this domain name for $10. Today, it's worth $1,418. In this video, I will show you how you can make money online with flipping domain names. I will share with you my domains investment, how you can find the best names to invest in. I will share with you some awesome tools, some trending and exploding topics that you can use right now today to invest in domain flipping. A lot of value in a couple of minutes. Keep watching. Step number one, what is a domain name? It's simply your website name. Like in my case, heducate.com is my website domain name. It's unique, it's for me, it's for my business. The idea is you go and buy a domain name and then resell it for a higher price. It is that simple. But the main problem is how you pick domain names that you can sell for a higher price. What are the best names? What are the main factors to pick domain names? And much more. Let's see together. And according to GoDaddy, one of the most expensive domain names sold ever is cars.com, sold for $872 million. Now, to be honest with you, I'm not looking for such big numbers. If I bought something for $10, I sold for $5,000 or $2,000, it will be great. But you have to understand something. Sometimes you can buy a domain for $1 and sell it for $1 million. If you keep an eye on trending topics, on what's happening in this world, yes, you may catch such domains. So keep watching to understand how. Now, before I go and show you how you can search and find domain names, just write these 6 factors on a paper or save it on your PC. These are the 6 main factors you have to check when you want to find a domain to resell later. Let's apply these 6 directly on one of my domains I bought 2 days ago. It's called adsout.com. I bought it for $10. In 2 days now, according to GoDaddy's algorithm, it costs around $1,300. You can see here in the information is based on algorithm utilizing data GoDaddy has available to it. So it's an estimation. Anyway, so let's apply these 6 factors. Number 1, length. It's always preferred to use shorter domains. So you can see adsout.com, short domain. Memorize it. Make sure the domain you want to buy, you want to pick, it's easy to memorize. Like this, adsout.com. It's simple. It's easy to use. Branding. This domain can be used as a brand name. Of course, yes. I got the idea of AdsOut from Outbrain, the native ad marketing company. So AdsOut is a great fit for a company that want to run an ad network, promoting and running ad campaigns. Keywords. You have the ad keyword, ad, it's an ad. Then the extension, always aim for a .com extension, .net, .org, or even .io or .ai, depending on the niche. So if you are working in the AI niche, maybe .io or .ai is better. But in general, .com is one of the best. So always apply these 6 factors on whatever domain you want to buy and resell later. Now, the big question, how to find domains. Again, memorize these 3 words: niche, trend, and explode. What do I mean? Let's see. The first service I'm going to use is fastdomainer.com. Here you can enter a domain name like Meta Ads as an example, and then it will tell you if this is a registered domain or not. It will give you some suggestions and it will show you if this domain is available or not. If it shows red, it's not available. Green, it's available to buy. And what's nice about this tool, we have a domain generator tool. If you go here and click on Meta Ads, you can select the domain names you want, like I will keep IO. You can see we have also US, UK, depending on the niche. Again, maybe someone is opening a store in the US or in the UK. So you have to do some research, as I will show you right now. App maybe also is a good domain extension. I will keep now .com and .io generate. And you can see now it will generate for you a lot of domain names you can check. Now you may tell me how to pick the correct domain. I will tell you just 1 minute. The second tool or the second service is instant domain domain search, I think you know it. You just write here something like meta ads. Again, it will generate some domain names. It will tell you if available or not, and so on. Now, the third tool, which is somehow interesting, is namelix.com. Go here, write meta, any keyword you want. Let's say here, metaverse ads, somehow trending now, generate. And now this service, based on AI algorithms and machine learning, will show you a lot of names. I will say only short names. I want only short names because it's better. Generate. And now this service again will show you some interesting brand names. Look at this. Advertised LY, ad slant, ad stripe, ad summer. So these are based on machine learning and AI. You can get some ideas, maybe for your own business or for domain names. So you can pick something from here, go again to Fast Domainer and generate some names or search for it. It's one of the best services I use to generate brand names using keywords. So this is how you can brainstorm and generate domain names. But how to pick one? You have to pick it again based on these three words: niche, trend, explode. What do I mean? So what is the niche? It's the topic. Let's say you wanna buy a domain related to selling cars. So maybe it's carsstore.com as an example. Let's see, carsstore.com. It's taken. So number one is the niche. What is the topic that you are searching in? So combining it with the trend and explode, I mean you have to find something that may be trending right now, so you can go and buy some domain names in. Like example, metaverse, NFTs and crypto is something trending right now in the whole planet. So what I did, if you go here to my domain names, if you go down here, you can see I bought this domain, blockchain.com. You may ask me now, what is the idea behind this domain name? I will tell you. We have a website called Chain or Shein.com, I think. It's a big online store. So I thought about something. Maybe one day this big website, this big brand will want to do something on the blockchain. So I bought this blockchain. It's something I thought about it. It may be wrong, but I believe it's a good investment for the future. Maybe in 5 years from now, 6 years. You can see I have a lot of domains here. If you go here, you can see mtblg.com. What this means, you can see it costs around $1,200 estimated. It's about the metaverseblog.com. Maybe someone next year want to use this domain as his metaverse blog. Or like metawatching.com. It's related to metaverse also. mvbeginner.com. You know the website called wpbeginner.com? It's one of the best websites about learning WordPress. WP Beginner means WordPress beginner. So I bought MT Beginner, which is metaversebeginner.com. I believe in the future this will have a great opportunity to sell for a high price. These things I searched and I tried my best to collect some domains related to metaverse and this new technology. Again, next, Metablog. You can see here also, I think the MetaCap is also one of the best investments I did. You can see also the verifiedtube.com. I have also this one, I really love it, powerofemails.com. Maybe an email marketing company wants to use it, maybe a blog about email marketing, so I bought this domain. So I bought around 15 emails this year as an investment based on the niches I know, the metaverse, blogging, email marketing, things I believe it will have a good opportunity soon in the future, so I can resell for a higher price. Going back to trending and exploding, what you have to do if you just want to work in this field, domain flipping, you have to master Google Trends. You can go here to trending searches in Google Trends and see what people are searching for. What's trending right now? Like in the US, what's trending? Let's see, daily research. Like this keyword here, this keyword, this keyword. So you can find some keywords and use these keywords with these tools, the domain generator tool, with instant domain research, with Namelix, to find some good opportunities to buy for only $10 or sometimes less, for $1 or $2 or $11 and so on, to sell later for a higher price. Also, you can use YouTube trending section. You can go here to YouTube/trending and find trending videos, the same idea as Google Trends. So master Google Trends and master YouTube trends. And there is something you have to know also. Twitter is a great place to find what's trending. If you go to Twitter and here and what's happening, you can click on show more and see what's happening worldwide, what's trending on Twitter, what hashtags are trending. Also, you can use this information to find some domain names. Also, what I use is a tool called Exploding Topics. Now, this tool is somehow expensive. Again, for example, if you go here to categories, let's say in the crypto field, in the last 3 months, I want to see what's going on. It will show you the growth of these keywords and topics like mintable, like utility NFT. If you click here, you will see this keyword is growing by around 2,900%. You can see this graph here. It shows you related topics. This is a great tool that will help you find trending and exploding topics. Exploding means topics that will explode in the future. This is why it's very important to use Reddit and Twitter and see what people are talking about so you can assume what will happen. This is exactly what exploding topics do. By the way, I'm not sponsoring this tool. I just use it. It's a great tool to find some topic opportunities and exploding topics for the future. Now, to help you, I know a lot of you can't invest in such tools. I promised you before. Soon, I think in February next month, on the forum here in Educate Forum, we will have a forum called Trending and Exploding. Like almost every week or 10 days, I will publish what's trending and exploding based on exploding topics on Google Trends and Twitter and much more. So in this way, I can help you find trending topics and exploding topics in different niches so you can use and utilize these keywords and topics in your business, maybe in domain flipping or in something else in your own business. This is the best I can do. I think I deserve a like for this. So I think using these 3 words and these 6 factors, you can pick up the right domain to flip with a higher price. Okay, so now after you buy these domains, how to sell them, where to list? Simply, if you're using GoDaddy, you can simply click on list for sale and then it will automatically connect with a service called After Nick or After on IC. And then this great service that works with the top domain providers like GoDaddy, Register.com, Domain.com, Enum, Namecheap. You can simply list it here and sell it through their service. You can also use Flippa.com to sell your domains. You can use Sedo.com, Sedo.com, or if you like, you can go to codecanyonhere.com, PHP scripts, and search for sell domain. I will keep the link in the description below. You will find these 4 scripts where you can list your domain for sale. So if someone searches for the domain, it will open this script. Let's preview it. When you use this script with your domain, this small website will open and you can enter the estimated value. And if someone wants to make an offer, he can enter his name, the email, his offer, and submit, and you will receive an email about his offer to contact him. Also, we have something called Slippa, which is a Flippa clone. So if you're also interested in building a business where people can list their domains in your website, you can buy this script if you want. You can go and read the reviews, the comments. You can build your own digital marketplace in not 5 seconds. It requires like 1 hour, I think, to get a hosting and host it, set up things and so on, and build your own flipping business and also list your own domains. Also, we have this service here, Folio Trader, where you can also buy and sell domains with this script. So if you're interested to start this business or use your own scripts, you can also buy this from Code Canyon. I believe I covered all the core concepts that will help you start with flipping domains. We still have only one thing that you might be interested in also. It is something called domain drop catching, which simply keeping an eye on what we call domains that will expire soon. This website called expireddomains.net, you can go here, click on expired domain names, and you will see a list of domains that are expired. It was used by websites and now expired, and you can go and buy. It's good, by the way, sometimes for SEO, sometimes to flip it, like in our case, and sometimes to park it and use with advertising. It's somehow different topics, but you can use also expired domains, or go now and search for drop catching domains. Keep an eye on some domains that will expire soon. And when expired, go and buy it directly, especially if it's something valuable and the owner don't know this. You can buy this domain and flip it later and sell it to someone else with a higher price. I hope you enjoyed this video, you got some benefit. If you have any questions, don't forget, on Telegram, on the forum, I am here to help you. Almost every single day I will answer your questions. Join us, let's chat together, help each other. See you later.